Hello and welcome back. Today, we will delve into the world of back-end developer, exploring their expertise, roles, and responsibilities in detail. Back-end developer, expertise, roles, and responsibilities. A back-end developer focuses on the server side of web applications. They are responsible for creating and managing the technology that powers the user-facing side of a website or application, ensuring smooth and efficient data flow. Here are the key points detailing their expertise, roles, and responsibilities. 1. Core programming languages. Java, widely used for enterprise-level applications due to its robustness and scalability. Python, popular for its simplicity and readability, often used in web development, data analysis, and machine learning. JavaScript, Node.js enables JavaScript to be used for server-side scripting. PHP, commonly used for server-side scripting in web development. 2. Frameworks and libraries. Spring, Java, a comprehensive framework for enterprise-level applications. Ruby, known for its simplicity and productivity, often used with the Ruby on Rails framework. Django, Python, a high-level framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. Express, Node.js, a minimal and flexible Node.js web application framework. Ruby on Rails, a server-side web application framework written in Ruby. Laravel, PHP, a web application framework with an expressive, elegant syntax. 3. Database management. SQL databases. Proficiency in databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Microsoft SQL Server. NoSQL databases. Experience with databases like MongoDB, Cassandra, and Redis for flexible and scalable data storage. Database design. Designing and managing the structure of databases, including schema definition, normalization, and indexing. 4. API development. RESTful APIs. Designing and implementing RESTful APIs for client-server communication. GraphQL. Implementing flexible and efficient data querying with GraphQL. Authentication and authorization. Implementing secure methods for verifying user identities and access control. 5. Server and hosting management. Server configuration. Setting up and configuring servers using tools like Nginx, Apache, or IIS. Cloud services. Deploying and managing applications on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Containerization. Using Docker and Kubernetes for containerization and orchestration of applications. 6. Security best practices. Data encryption. Implementing encryption to protect sensitive data in transit and at rest. Vulnerability management. Identifying and mitigating security vulnerabilities, such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting, XSS. Compliance. Ensuring applications meet industry standards and regulations, such as GDPR and HIPAA. 7. Performance optimization. Load balancing. Distributing workloads across multiple servers to ensure availability and reliability. Caching strategies. Implementing caching mechanisms like Redis or Memcache to reduce latency and improve performance. Scalability. Designing systems that can scale horizontally or vertically to handle increased traffic. GitHub or Bitbucket, a GIT lab, hosting repositories and managing code collaboration. Code reviews. Conducting code reviews to ensure quality and adherence to coding standards. 8. Version control and collaboration. GIT. Using GIT for version control to track changes and collaborate with team members. 9. Testing and debugging. Unit testing. Writing tests to verify the functionality of individual components. Integration testing. ensuring different parts of the application work together as expected. Automated testing, using testing frameworks like JUnit, Pytest, or Mocha to automate testing processes. 10. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD. Build automation, using tools like Jenkins, Travis CI, or GitLab CI to automate the building and testing of applications. Deployment pipelines, setting up pipelines for automated deployment to staging and production environments. Monitoring and logging, implementing monitoring tools like Prometheus and logging systems like ELK, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana for tracking application performance and issues. 11. Microservices architecture. Service-oriented architecture, designing applications as a collection of loosely coupled services. Service discovery, implementing service discovery mechanisms like Consul or Eureka for dynamic service management. Conclusion. A back-end developer plays a critical role in building and maintaining the server side of web applications. API gateways, managing and routing API requests through gateways like Kong or AWS API Gateway. Their expertise spans from core programming languages and frameworks to database management, API development, and server configuration. They ensure the security, performance, and scalability of applications while collaborating closely with front-end developers and other stakeholders. By leveraging best practices in version control, testing, and CI/CD, back-end developers contribute to the delivery of robust and efficient software solutions. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, please subscribe to this channel and click on a bell icon to get the latest video notification. Till then, have a great day and bye-bye.